Imagine creating professional videos and images in just a few clicks. No complex tools, no steep learning curve. Meet Polo AI. This new AI tool for videos and images is insane. It's an all-in-one tool for AI image and video generation. It brings together a wide range of the latest AI models in one convenient platform, allowing users to explore and create with various image and video generation technologies all in one place. With text to video, you simply type your idea, and Polo AI turns it into cinematic visuals. Got a still image? Use image to video to bring it to life with smooth AI-generated motion. Consistency is built in. Your characters, styles, and designs remain uniform across every frame in video. Want variety instead? Choose from 150 plus effects to completely transform your content with unique looks and styles. For images, Polo AI lets you generate artwork, apply filters, or even morph one picture into another. Have fun with creative touches. Add a kiss to a photo, build AI-powered muscles, recreate yourself in Ghibli-style art, or snap a selfie with your favorite celebrity. With hundreds of effects, your imagination is the only limit. Beyond creativity, Polo AI helps you refine your projects, upscale, enhance, and edit visuals or generate custom AI content tailored to your needs. Getting started couldn't be easier. Click the link in the description, sign up with your email, Google, or Facebook, and you're ready to explore. The platform welcomes you with a clean, intuitive interface that makes every step of creation simple and fun. At the top, you'll find its key features: generate AI video, generate AI image, generate AI avatar, and generate AI effects. Just below, you can see the trending AI tools. Next, it shows different categories such as action moments, commercial, fun, social media, and game. On the left side of the Polo AI dashboard, you'll find quick access to all key features: home, explore, projects, AI video, AI image, AI avatar, AI shorts, pro effects, fun effects, photo effects, and AI tools. You can also download the Polo AI mobile app for on-the-go creation or integrate it into your workflow using the API for advanced customization. In the top left corner, you'll find two different modes: easy mode, which is beginner friendly and perfect for quick, simple creations, and canvas mode, which offers a full suite of powerful AI tools designed for professionals. First, let's explore AI avatar feature. Here you can browse a wide range of avatars. Click on avatar video and it will ask you to either select an avatar or upload your own image. There are avatars across different categories such as beauty, education, gaming, and more. Simply pick the one that suits your project. If you're making an ad, you can upload your product directly. And the avatar was instantly created holding the same, perfect for ad videos. Next, add the script you want your avatar to say. Then choose the voice. You'll find plenty of options: languages, accents, genders, ages, and even voice styles. You can also adjust the speech rate for a natural flow. Once everything is set, click Create, and your AI avatar video is generated.
I'm finally here, your virtual buddy, bringing energy, style, and a bit of fun to your screen. Stick around, because this is just the beginning.
Wow! It's amazingly beautifully made, simple, clear, and very engaging. On the right side, you'll see the video details with options to regenerate, upscale, convert into video, add sound effects, or download. You can even share it directly. Now, let's try out the AI Shorts feature. Click on AI Shorts and you'll see different styles available, such as anime shorts, soothing shorts, and animal shorts. Pick one that fits your idea. Next, you'll find the image option. This is optional. You can upload a character or simply select an asset from the library. After that, enter your short topic. For background music, you can either let Polo AI auto-select a trending song or you can choose one manually. Then set your video duration. Here I'm going with 3 seconds per short. For this demo, I'll create 2 shorts and I'll set the ratio to 9:16. You can also enable public visibility and copy protection if you want. Once everything is ready, just click Create. After a few minutes, your short video is generated. Let's play it. As you can see, it's stunning. The output matches the exact prompt and settings we entered. Now let's convert an image into a video using Polo AI. Click on Image to Video, and you'll see a variety of AI models to choose from. Each model gives a different style and effect, so you can pick the one that matches your vision. You can use the Clean 2.5 Turbo and Wan 2.5 AI video models on Polo AI. Currently, they are all 50% off credits. You can use the Seedream 4.0 model for generating AI images. Currently, it's free to use 60 times for paid users. As you can see, I'm using the Clean 2.5 Turbo model. First, upload the image you want to convert into a video. Here, I've uploaded one as an example. Next, enter your prompt, or let AI generate it for you. For instance, I typed cat video, and it instantly suggested 3 prompts. Just pick one and click confirm. You can also enable generate audio and add a sound effect. I chose soft music for this one. Now, set your video length. I'll go with 5 seconds. For more control, you can explore advanced options like negative prompt, public visibility, and copy protection. Once all settings are ready, click create and Polo AI will start generating your video. Oh wow, it looks stunning. The image has been transformed into a video exactly as described in the prompt. Truly amazing. Now, let's convert text into an image using Polo AI. Click on text to image, and you'll see a variety of AI models available. You can use the Nano Banana model for generating AI images. You can use the Pixverse V5 model for generating AI videos. All users can enjoy 50% off credits to use this model for a limited time. Enable support for the VO3 and VO3-fast models in the text-to-video generator. Here you can see that I've selected the FluxDev model. There's also an option for LoRa, which is completely optional. Next, enter your prompt, or let AI generate one for you. And it instantly created a detailed prompt. Now choose your aspect ratio. I'll go with 9:16. Then select the output image number. Just click create. As you can see, the result is stunning. An ideal image created exactly from the prompt. On the right side, you'll find image details along with options to edit, regenerate, reprompt, and more. If you're satisfied, you can download and share it instantly. Polo AI also offers a wide range of AI tools and fun effects. You'll find plenty of AI video effects to explore, plus a library of photo effects where you can pick and apply different styles. Another amazing feature is Canvas mode chat to image. Just type what you want and Polo AI will create it. For example, I entered fluffy dog, set the style, ratio, and image number. And within minutes, it generated 2 beautiful images. You can also open results in Canvas mode to fine-tune them further, change backgrounds, upscale in Paint, and access many other advanced editing tools. That's the power of Polo AI. From text to image and image to video to fun effects, Pro Tools, and Canvas editing. Everything is designed to make content creation fast, easy, and creative. No matter if you're a beginner or a pro, Polo AI helps you bring your ideas to life with just a few clicks. Free users can generate up to 2 videos at no cost, while paid users enjoy the benefits of creating multiple tasks simultaneously without watermarks or copyright protection. All users, regardless of their plan, can check in daily to earn free credits. Give it a try today and start creating stunning visuals like never before. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and AI tools to explore.